Hi, you need to extract text from PDF document. In this video I will show you how. Use extension for Google Chrome which allows you to do it in just one click. For this we need to install extension in browser. PDF tool text. Link to it will be in the first comment. Open Google Chrome and see the web store in the address bar. Go to the first link in the search field. At the top you see PDF tool text. Click Enter. Select the first option from the list from Prius Labs. Then click the button. Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Do not forget to fix the extension icon on the tool panel. For quick access, when the extension is installed. Let's try to extract text from PDF document. Click on the extension icon. In the upper right corner, drag your PDF file into the downloader and click the button. Extract text. It will scan the document and provide you with the extracted text. You can view it, edit it, copy in one click. Also, if you need to save in TXT format, just click on this circle. Moreover, the extension can read the word or sum with AI and the extracted text, which greatly simplifies work with PDF documents. Now you know how easy it is to extract text from PDF documents using extension. PDF tool text. If you like the video, do not forget to like and subscribe to channel, so as not to miss new useful tips. All links in the first pinned comment. See you soon.